Hi, my name is Avula. My registration number is 01691. This is my first lab experiment use case lab. The title of the experiment is designing a use case diagram for the given scenario, and the given scenario to me is cab booking system. So the main things in user case diagram are actors, functionalities, and use case, and association to join the functionalities in between in a user diagram. And basically there are two types of associations, include and extend. If we consider A as a whole part and B is a part of A, and the occurrence of B, I mean the value of B is to be inserted in the value of A, then we use a condition called include. And if you the value of B may or may not be, might be included in A, then we use an association called connection called extend here. Now let's see the diagram for cab booking system. And this is the use case for cab booking system. There are first we'll check the actors who are involved in the for cab booking. So the main actors are customer, admin, and the cab driver, and each of them has their own roles in a use case. First we'll start with the customer. So the customer or the client who is booking a specified cab for his destination. He'll first log in into the server. He'll enter username and password here. Username and password will be the primary attributes. So without this username he cannot log in into the system. So these are must functionalities. So I have used include, and he'll view his profile. These are the operations that the customer can perform. He can view, request a cab, select the type of cab, and for the selection of cab, he can choose his priority. I mean his choice among five types, such as economy, compact, premium, and luxury types. And he can select the date of rental, destination to the destination where you want to visit, and the other things, payment modes, etc. And the main functionalities of an admin is he should authenticate the user first thing, based on his, if the user entered valid username and password, then the admin authenticates his user profile. Then user need to submit his identity details in order to prove his in order to overcome the protocol. So the admin identifies the user, verifies the user identities, and it dispatches the cab. He sends a message and GPS message to the to the nearby cab driver near to the user location, and the cab driver can immediately go to the user to pick him and drop him. So the main functionalities of cab driver is pick up the customer, drive to the destination. So here the cab driver might be using a GPS navigator, or he might be an experienced personnel, so that he can drive by himself. And payment mode, this functionality is refers to customer. So customer can choose either of these payment modes, like he can pay through e-wallet, and e-wallets like Ola wallet, and as back transfer and cash payment. Even through Paytm also he can pay, and he can lodge complaint, and this complaint which was lodged will be directly forwarded to admin, where this cab driver will not be able to access this complaint. And these are the main functionalities, and this is the basic use case diagram of an cab booking model. Thank you.